Can you name all these personal care products in English? By the end of this lesson, we'll be able to talk fluently about your personal care routine in English. Hello everyone, I'm Safa from S.R.I.M.Y Speaking Academy. In today's lesson, we'll learn everything you need to talk about personal care in English. We'll cover real vocabulary, pronunciation, useful expressions, linking words, common sentence, a real conversation and speaking practice, and finally, how to talk about this topic in IELTS speaking. Let's get started. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothpaste, mouthwash, mouthwash, shampoo, shampoo, face wash, face wash, razor, razor, deodorant, deodorant, aftershave, aftershave, electric shaver, electric shaver, electric shaver, dental floss, dental floss, tongue cleaner, tongue cleaner, interdental, interdental brush, interdental brush, toothpick, toothpick, electric, electric toothbrush, electric toothbrush, moisturizer, moisturizer, soap, soap, towel, comb, be silent, comb. Fantastic! Now that you've learned the vocabulary, let's see how to use these words in real English. I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I floss my teeth, I rinse my mouth, I take a shower, I shampoo my hair, I condition my hair, I comb my hair, I dry my hair, I shave my bread, I shave, I shave my bread, I trim my bread, I trim my bread, I apply, I apply, apply moisturizer, I apply sunscreen, I apply deodorant, I wear a bathrobe, I spray perfume. Excellent. Now let's connect our ideas using some common link words. For example, usually. Usually I take a shower in the evening. Normally, normally I keep my routine simple. Every morning, every morning I wash my face. Every night I remove my makeup. Before before I leave the house, I apply sunscreen. And also, you can say I put on sunscreen. After after I brush my teeth, I use mouthwash because I use sunscreen because it protects my skin. So I moisturize my skin so it doesn't feel dry. Another example, that's why I have a simple routine. That's why it only takes 10 minutes. In my opinion, in my opinion, good hygiene is very important. If you want to speak more fluently in English or get a higher score in IELTS speaking test, these linking words will help you organize your ideas naturally. Are you ready? Let's practice with some common IELTS speaking question. Part 1. What's your daily personal care routine? Every morning, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and apply moisturizer. Then I comb my hair, put on deodorant, and use sunscreen before leaving the house. In the evening, I usually take a shower and follow my self-care routine before going to bed. Do you spend a lot of time getting ready? No, really. I prefer to keep my routine simple. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to get ready because I only use the products I really need. What personal care product can't you live without? I'd say sunscreen. I use it every day because it protects my skin from the sun and helps keep it healthy. How important is personal hygiene? I think personal hygiene is extremely important. It helps you stay healthy, feel fresh, and make a good impression on other people.